Now let us talk about the effects of high altitude on the respiratory system. As we ascend upwards, like in mountains above 8,000 feet from sea level, the atmosphere becomes thinner and oxygen concentration also falls, which causes the mountain sickness, that's called as. Usually the trekkers, hikers, they face this. This results in a decrease in oxygenation of the blood with rise in altitude. So as the altitude is rising, we face this problem. Symptoms like breathlessness, headache, dizziness, irritability, nausea, vomiting, mental fatigue, and even bluish tinge on the skin and lips appear. Now, a condition of prolonged hypoxia in renal tissue causes kidneys to release a hormone that's called as erythropoietin, which stimulates the RBC production in the bone marrow. Hypoxia, erythropoietin in the bone marrow, red blood cells. So, it is stimulating the production of red blood cells in the bone marrow. So, oxygen availability, and then that goes. Yep. Now moving on to this question, the question is, what is the function of erythropoietin? Stimulation of the dissociation of oxyhemoglobin. B. Stimulating the platelets production in the bone marrow. C. Stimulation of WBC production in the bone marrow, or is it stimulating RBC production in the bone marrow, students? And here the answer is stimulating RBC production in the bone marrow. This is what erythropoietin does. Now continuing with knowing the effects of high altitude and respiratory system, students, longer stays at high altitude results in increased RBC count of the blood, that is polycythemia, and also this is also increases the hemoglobin concentration in blood as well.